friends, today I am taking you to the green heart of Europe. This is the smallest state of Europe and it is surrounded by Belgium, Germany and France. And can you guess which state it is? It is Luxembourg. It has highest GDP and salaries are very high. People's standard of living is very high and very beautiful city. As you can see, such a good weather it was when we went there for a day tour. This trip we did in 2019 and it was only for one day. Like we went in the morning and we came back in the evening. It was so near because of Europe free borders. We can travel very easily and because Germany is in the center of Europe, so day trips are really feasible. And as you can see, it is so beautiful. The official languages of Luxembourg is French, German and Luxembourgish. So French is basically wherever I was going, people were speaking mainly in French. So it was a bit of problematic, but German was also there, so it was also easy for me. We just went to the city center of Luxembourg City. Luxembourg City is the capital of Luxembourg country, and people's standard of living is really very high. As you can see, this is a very very less populated, mainly touristic people were there. This is a fort of Luxembourg City which was demolished in 19th century. Basic infrastructure, basic facilities are very good in Luxembourg. So if someone is getting a chance to get a job in Luxembourg, it is a very good country to live in. Salaries are really high. Their public transport is totally free for the public, and you believe it, means there is no charges when you get into a bus or a train. It is totally free. English is not the official language, but because there are so many expats living there, so yes, with English you can get by, but it is not the official language of Luxembourg. Microsoft Office was also there. This is a park near the city center, and it was very beautiful park. The type of toilets available there, public toilets, they were so clean and modern and so nice. It was very good. I went there in 2019. I didn't get a chance to visit next time because there was then Corona, but I am planning to go it again and there again. And if I will go, I will again make a video of that. This is a library. People were also very friendly and very nice, and they really appear to be very relaxed and stress free. And my first impression of this city is that this city is worth living in. And if the salaries are so high and the government gives so much good facilities to the people, it shows in the standard of living, and it shows in the nature of people that they really seem to be happy. And all the big offices, all the big institutions are here. Microsoft Office is here. So I really like the whole the way city is planned, and the facilities are available. Park was really very good for the children. For all age groups, they had something. Like they were playing here golf and climbing the rocks, and really for each age group, and parents were really happy. And if kids are getting all the facilities, all old people have people with disabilities, they have good infrastructure. I really like the whole ambience of the city. As you can see, it's very neat and clean. Even the suburbs in the city, where the residential areas, it is a city center, even the residential area was very neat and clean. And the city is so well connected to the other countries. Like I told you, Belgium, France and Germany are the bordering countries. It is so easy to get into the country. We don't require a visa because it is a European country. Schengen visa is applicable here. So I really love the way the city is developed, the way the city is planned, and it's really made my day going there. And I hope you also like this city. Please hit the like button if you did. Share with me your feedback in the comment box. And please also do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.